walking with my sister's dog. Saw some big waves when we were walking the dogs at the Bay Campus beach, and I saw some whitecaps from over there. That's what lulled me into coming here today on this 3/28/18. So we'll see what happens. Of course, the foghorn is blaring again. But at least we don't have any wind, so that's the good news. It was raining earlier. Again, today's date is 3/28/18. The waves look pretty big. There's some waves over there. I'm not sure how they compare when I was here back on March 22nd, but we'll see what happens. Yeah. Come over here. Pretty good size. I think they turned the foghorn on just for me because they knew I was coming. It was a last minute decision to come here. Of course, I gotta go to the dentist after this. Ain't that peachy. I don't mind if they drill holes in my teeth. I just don't want to see any RSAs in the waiting room. That is much worse than having 100 Novocaines in my mouth. The foghorn doesn't bother me, but it might bother other people. Oh yeah, there's a good one. I think I might go down there, foghorn or no foghorn. One good thing about the foghorn, it keeps the crowds away, and therefore the less chances of seeing those damaging RSAs, which I absolutely loathe. L-O-A-T-H-E, for those of you who know about my phobia. I'm glad my good friend Jason Sellen knows about my phobia of RSAs. Right side omens, that is. And Jason, congratulations on your March 26th T-storm. 3 years to the day after I had a good one on 3/26/15. Yeah, that was cool, man. Now, coming here takes the place of videotaping T-storms. I haven't had any real good ones since last September 30th. Just about 6 months ago. In fact, 6 months ago today I was here on my good friend Scott McFarland's birthday. Had some big waves back then too, caused by Tropical Storm Maria. That was 6 months ago today, 9/28/17. More chart stuff for the musical buff. Yeah, the waves ain't too shabby today. Dentist. I'll put that foghorn in my teeth instead of going to the dentist. And the name of the dentist, by the way, is, oddly enough, Thunder Mist. Yeah, right. And get this strange trivia. We had thunder when I was at the dentist. Yeah, that ain't shabby. It happened on July 24, 2008. I took my mother to Thunder Mist Dentist, and there was thunder and lightning there. And it happened again on April 6, 2009. We were at Thunder Mist Dentist, there was thunder and lightning there. Happened almost again a couple of other times. More chart stuff for the musical buff. Yeah, if you don't mind the foghorn, I'm going to go down this way. I'm going to do another clip in a moment. Okay. I'm going to pause it right now. Oh yeah, let's not forget, this is my 18th time, 18 times since 9/20/17. Okay, we're going to pause it right now, and we shall resume down below. Foghorn or no foghorn? I have to get this guy. Okay, pausing.